Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are here to understand the chapter better by doing the exercise of the chapter. The very first thing you are going to put today's date. So, let's write. Today is 17/11/21. Write the chapter name on the top. Our food. Leave the first line, start from the second line. The question is, fill in the blanks. Okay. What is the first sentence? Number one is vegetarians. Check out the spelling, children. Vegetarians. Tarians. Vegetarians. Vegetarians. Vegetarians do not eat dash. Vegetarians do not eat. The answer is meat. meat. Okay, vegetarians only eat vegetables. They do not eat meat. So they are called as vegetarians. Okay. Now we come to number 2. The second one is people. People. People who eat meat. Now we are not talking about vegetarians. Okay, vegetarians do not eat meat. Now in the second one we are talking about the people who eat meat. Okay, people who eat meat should should also eat. What also they should have? Should also eat a lot of fruits that we will write in the dash. Okay, dash and dash. Two dashes are there. Okay, dash and dash to stay healthy. 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 What they should eat? They should eat also fruits and vegetables. Although they are eating meat, even then they should eat lot of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. So let's write the answer. fruits, fruits and vegetables. vege, tables. tables. Not only tables, huh? Vegetables. Okay. So people who eat meat, they should also eat lot of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. Eating only meat will not keep them healthy. Okay. So let's repeat it once, children. Fill in the blanks. Vegetarians. Check out the spelling, children. vegetarians. Vegetarians do not eat meat. Okay, so you have to remember the people who do not eat meat, they are called vegetarians. Come to the second one. People who eat meat should also eat a lot of fruits. Fruits. Fruits and vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables, fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. Okay, check out the spelling of stay healthy as well. S-T-A-Y, stay healthy. Healthy. Okay, children. So, the people who do not eat meat are called vegetarians, and the people who eat meat are called non-vegetarians. Okay, so non-vegetarians should also have fruits and vegetables to stay healthy, even when they are eating meat, then also. Okay, eating only meat may not keep them healthy, so they should also have fruits and vegetables. Okay, and what about vegetarians? They तो don't eat meat only, na? They will be healthy by eating only fruits and vegetables. They don't need to eat meat. Okay, so can you see, children? Fruits and vegetables are so useful to us. They are so essential to us. That is the reason your mother keeps on telling you, eat some fruits, have some vegetables. You know, every day she tells you the same thing again and again because they are very important to stay healthy. Okay, so this was all for today, children. Thank you.